your tax returns is as easy as visiting the nearest certified professional in your area. I'm Tiffny Rhodius. Let's talk tax. Let's be honest, some of us still don't know how to fill out our tax returns, be it income, property, or even VAT.
I just wanna go there.
Me neither.
Yeah, but
I wish never go there. I just never go there.
Worship, come on.
Something is wrong with this country.
Look, this is a judgment-free zone. We understand you're probably busy, or if you're like me, you're really bad with numbers. That is why the Guyana Revenue Authority is now certifying competent persons. You don't necessarily need to be an accountant to prepare your tax returns.
Oh my God! Wow!
A preparer of returns is an individual that can assist with the completion of tax returns and can request claims on behalf of clients as it relates to tax refunds. Section 3715 of the Tax Act, Chapter 8001, was amended earlier this year to include the issuance of tax practice certificates to preparer of returns. If you're a taxpayer or have a business, you can simply visit one of these preparer of returns who can correctly fill out your tax returns. This leaves you with time to focus on other things.
We'll probably sit around and cook some soups and eat bread and desserts and just get all fat and sassy.
When we return from the break, we'll discuss how you can become a preparer of returns if you have the knowledge.
Maintaining a property is a huge responsibility. The bills have to be paid to keep the lights on, the water running, and the telephone working. And of course, security is a priority. But have you been maintaining your obligations under the law regarding property tax? Section 14.2 of the Property Tax Act, Chapter 8121 says, every property holder, individual or company with net property valued $40 million or more at the end of the year must deliver a property tax return to the GRA.
Welcome back to Talk Tax. Did you know you can be certified as a preparer of returns if you are competent enough to provide this valuable service?
Hey, y'all, I want to say something to everybody watching. Yo, you can do anything. Anything's possible. The world is yours.
That's right. If you have the knowledge, ethics, and other areas considered essential by the Commissioner General in relation to preparing tax returns, you can be issued with a tax practice certificate as a preparer of returns. A tax practice certificate is issued to professionals who are engaged in private practice for reward. In fact, professionals who are not employed by the state are required by law to be the holder of a tax practice certificate.
See, I am a professional.
To apply for a tax practice certificate as a preparer of returns, you will need to submit a written application addressed to the Commissioner General of the Guyana Revenue Authority. The application letter must include details like your qualifications and experience, along with a copy of your ID. The application fee for a tax practice certificate is $20,000.
Huh? What? Oh.
Successful applicants will be trained and will have to pass a competency test before receiving certification as a preparer of returns. If you want to be certified as a preparer of returns, you must ensure you are tax compliant. That is, you have filed all your tax returns in accordance with Section 60 of the Income Tax Act. Further, you will be subjected to the conditions and obligations applicable to the holder of a tax practice certificate. To find out more details on being certified as a preparer of returns, give our tax specialist a call on the numbers listed on your screen. You can find more information on obtaining a tax practice certificate as well as the list of holders of these certificates on our website. You can also keep up with GRA on our social media pages.